Hello, Farmers Branch and 13840 Denton Drive investors for our first investment update of 2026, January. So just to give you a quick financial snapshot, pretty similar to previous months. We continue to send distributions. Just specifically on distributions, we sent out December. We had another hiccup with January. It's a system-related issue. Agora had a plat issue that they are investigating, and we should get that out within the next week. Specifically to the property, some good news related to the debt. We have a floating rate loan on the property is based on prime. So at the time when we closed, it was 50 basis points above prime. So we're at 8% when we closed, and that rate has come down. So kind of including the basis point spread, it's now 7.25. So it's creating a little bit more cash than we had projected. So that's good news. Scott's going to give you an update on the sale process.
Yeah, so as you guys knew from the last presentation, we had 6 broker shops that we interviewed. We picked Rich Young Company, Piper Gosford Guy, really solid. The property went out early December. Not the best time. We got some initial interest, but everything pretty much died because of the holidays. Once January hit, we've had a ton of interest. Currently, we've got 5 LOIs, 1 new one. The new one and one of the prior ones will get us to our projections. We actually got that last offer up a little bit. We're holding off for now and responding. We think we'll have a few more offers come in. So things are looking really good on that. As far as the sales process goes, again, we've shared some of our ideas with Rich. He's super open to anything we've got. Putting a banner on the building, which he's done. The highlighting ingress and egress, all these have been done now. We've got a more detailed floor plan as well. And we need to talk to him about the postcards and snail mail. I'm not sure that's happened yet, but Franco, we're getting really good traction, so we may not need it anyway. We'll know here in the next week. And of course, that kind of gives you the breakdown. 6 tours, 33 groups in December. We've been three tours so far in January. Another 35 groups showing interest. Then trading offers with that one group. It's an owner user type situation, which is what we expected actually. Very little interest from investors, almost all from. Actually, let me rephrase that. Very little interest from tenants. Almost all the interest is coming from purchasers, either tenants or investors. And a user is going to give us the best deals. That's who we're really pushing hard on.
Thanks, Scott. So that's the kind of property update. We're just going to switch gears here a little bit. As you know, we host a monthly meetup. So in April, we're going to have 2 events in DFW that we would like to invite you all to. The first event is basically an educational event. Scott and I are going to co-host in Farmers Branch at Scion Construction's headquarters. It's going to be April 16th, and we're just going to introduce people to investing in triple net, how we source deals, how we underwrite deals, learn our secret sauce for doing this. And then we'll walk through the case study of this particular property. And you'll get to sit and learn and interact with us on that. And then the second piece we're really excited about shortly after, we're going to have an on-site live case study and walk the property, do a property tour. Hopefully by this time, we'll have the property in contract. We'll have kind of a great thing to talk about. For you guys and anybody else is even outside of DFW, we welcome you guys to come in town to come to both of these events or just one of the events. It'd be great to see you guys in person. And we're really excited about this. We think potentially the attentions will be strong because it's not apartments, it's something different. And this particularly, knock on wood, this property, the business plan, we've been executing it pretty well, aligned with what we planned. So it should be a great story, and it would be great to see you all come out. And you probably saw it through our newsletter, but the registration link here is in the QR code, but it's also included in our monthly newsletter. So that's been sent out, and we'll send out subsequent newsletters leading up to these events. So we appreciate your trust in us. Again, you'll see those links come out for Eventbrite to register for those events. We're looking forward to it, and we're looking forward to delivering excellent returns on this deal as we hopefully get a few more offers and we can kind of push the price up a little bit. Thank you for your time, everybody.
Thanks, guys.